You want to buy an automatic sewing machine, but it is not available around your place in your locality. And online, when you checked online, the reviews are so bad that you are not feeling like buying that sewing machine online. When you check the information, even the information online, offline, everywhere the information is so confusing. Somewhere it is written 60 watt machine, somewhere else it is written 85 watt sewing machine. So what should you do? Should you buy the machine, or should you drop the idea of buying your automatic sewing machine? Where to buy, how to buy, and what things you should keep in mind, and what confusions you may be having that you should clear, and how to clear those confusions. We will talk about all these things in this video. Recently, I received an email from Karishma Khanishal, and her query was, in her words, I want to buy Usha Stitch Magic machine, but in my area it is not available. And when I saw online, some bad reviews are there. They don't provide warranty card, useful accessories. And also it is available in metal body and other is aluminium, which I prefer. Some showing a motor of 60 watt and some 80 watt. What should I do? So this is the answer for Karishma Khanishal, and not only her, but many people, many prospective buyers who want to buy automatic sewing machines, but they get so much misinformation and wrong information that even the seasoned sewing lovers, or the people who are stitching for many years and know their sewing machines very well, even those people like me, we also get confused. So here, these are the things that you must keep in mind. First problem is that you want to buy an automatic machine, but it is not available around your locality in the market near you. To solve this problem, you can go online and buy sewing machine after reading the reviews. Now comes the second problem. The reviews are not up to the mark. They are mixed reviews, and most reviews say the warranty card not there, accessories are not there, or there may be some other kind of problems that you may face with the machine. In this case, you will notice that even if you watch the best video on the internet, or the most liked video, or the best product on the internet or online that you have already used, and you know the product is really good, even about that product you will get bad reviews. The reason is, one type of product cannot be good for everybody. There are different sorts of people with different behaviors, different attitude and interest. So I may like vanilla ice cream, but you may be liking chocolate, or you may be liking Singer machine. I may like Usha Genome. So the interests may be different, the taste may be different, so there may be bad reviews. In case of a bad sewing machine review, it may happen that somebody has bought that machine, used that machine, the accessory hasn't come, the warranty card is not stamped. See, when the warranty card is not stamped, then there is nothing to worry, because you can use the bill, and on that bill the date of purchase is mentioned, and from that date of purchase for 2 years you can claim the warranty. Or you can buy the machine. When the demo person comes, you can coordinate with them and tell him to sign on the warranty card. So that thing can be fixed. When you buy a sewing machine online and you don't receive the accessories, or the sewing machine is not in perfect condition, then you always have this option to return the sewing machine, or to complain on Amazon, or to complain to the seller and get the accessories, or get the machine replaced, or return the machine and get your money back. So here your second problem is solved. Third problem is, you want to buy Usha Genome Stitch Magic, that is this machine, but on different platforms, different website, At one place it is mentioned metal body sewing machine, and on other platform it is mentioned aluminium die cast body machine. So metal and aluminium die cast body, it is one and the same thing as mentioned by the seller. One seller has mentioned the description as metal, the other seller has mentioned the description of the machine as aluminium body. So these are not the two variant, both the machines or both the descriptions mean the same thing, one thing only. You don't need to get yourself confused here. There is only variant of this Usha Janome Stitch Magic, and that comes in aluminium die cast body. The outer body is plastic. Another doubt that you have, that Usha Janome Stitch Magic has 60 watt power or 85 watt power. Usha Janome Stitch Magic comes in 60 watt power. It does not come in 85 watt power. So the motor is 240 volts and electric motor that this machine comes with, and the power supply it will need it 60 watt. All the Usha Janome stitching or sewing machines till now that are beginner levels home use sewing machines, and they come with 60 watt power requirement. So these are your doubts about a sewing machine or Stitch Magic questions that you had, and I'm sure that I tried to clear all these doubts one by one. If you still have any queries, any doubts, where to get discounts, where to get cashback, or where to buy your best sewing machine, you can ask me in the below comment section and I will answer you in detail. Else you can visit stitchingmall.com. There I have given the detailed reviews, comparisons and descriptions and every detail of the sewing machines that you can buy or you should buy, which are best for your, depending on your needs. Like you may be having specific need, based on that specific need you can choose your sewing machine. So you'll get a lot of information on stitchingmall.com. To join us for more information, more tips and more useful tutorials, join us on Instagram Stitching Mall page or Facebook Stitching Mall page. There you can share your pictures and what you sew, what you make with your sewing machines, what type of sewing machines you have and what all you do with that. I would love to see what this community of stitchers is doing with their sewing machines. Thank you so much for joining me with the Stitching Mall channel, and let's meet in the next week here on this channel. Thank you so much.